If you're a cold brew lover, having the right container makes all the difference. The best container for cold brew coffee keeps your brew fresh, smooth, and delicious for days. Let's check out the top options to elevate your coffee game. Number 1. QHH container for brew coffee. The QHH container for brew coffee is a thoughtfully designed option for anyone who loves making cold brew at home. This 64-ounce mason jar pitcher comes equipped with a stainless steel filter, a pour spout lid, and a cleaning brush, offering everything you need for a smooth, hassle-free brewing process. Its large capacity is perfect for daily use, whether you're brewing coffee for yourself or sharing with friends. Made from heavy-duty, food-grade soda lime glass and a BPA-free plastic lid, this container is built to be both durable and long-lasting. One of its standout features is the ergonomically thickened handle, which provides a firm, comfortable grip for easy carrying and pouring. The airtight spout and silicone ring sealing system help prolong the freshness of your cold brew while keeping out any unwanted fridge odors. The flip cap lid adds to the convenience, transforming this pitcher into a simple, spill-free dispenser. The 160-micron stainless steel filter is designed to effectively keep coffee grounds from entering your brew, ensuring a consistently smooth and clean cup. It's also versatile enough to handle tea leaves, fruit infusions, or other beverages, making this pitcher more than just a cold brew maker. You can easily remove the filter to use it as a regular beverage container for lemonade, iced tea, or flavored water. Number 2. County Line container for brew coffee. The County Line container for brew coffee is a well-crafted, reliable cold brew solution for coffee enthusiasts who value simplicity and efficiency. Its straightforward design makes the brewing process incredibly easy. Just fill the filter with your favorite coffee grounds, add cold water, and let it steep. Cleanup is equally simple, thanks to its dishwasher-safe components, though it's important to remember not to add boiling water. One of its most practical features is the Easy Pour dispenser with a flip cap pour spout, eliminating awkward tilting and the mess that sometimes comes with traditional pitchers. The precision-engineered, leak-proof lid ensures your cold brew stays sealed and fresh, whether you're storing it at home or taking it on the go. Another highlight is the fine mesh stainless steel filter that effectively prevents coffee grounds from slipping into your brew, guaranteeing a clean, smooth cup every time. This filtration system is also versatile enough to handle tea leaves, making it a great multipurpose addition to any kitchen. Built to last, the County Line container is made from durable mason jar glass that withstands rough handling while remaining BPA-free and food-grade safe. Its combination of functionality, durability, and ease of use makes it an appealing option for anyone who loves cold brew but doesn't want to fuss with complicated equipment. The company also backs its product with a shipping guarantee, offering a full replacement or refund for any damaged items, adding an extra layer of customer confidence. Whether you're new to cold brew or an experienced brewer, the County Line container for brew coffee offers a practical, no-nonsense way to enjoy your favorite chilled coffee drinks at home. Number 3. June container for brew coffee. The June container for brew coffee is an excellent choice for those who value durability and versatility in their cold brew setup. Made from heavy-duty, food-grade soda lime glass, this beverage pitcher is thick, strong, and designed to resist breaking, offering a safer, healthier alternative to plastic containers. It also preserves the natural taste of your drinks without adding any off flavors. Its compact design fits comfortably in most refrigerator doors, making it a convenient addition to your kitchen. The high-quality mesh filter is a standout feature, designed to keep coffee grounds out of your brew while enhancing the smoothness of the final product. This filter is also ideal for brewing iced tea or infusing water with fruit, thanks to its ability to trap larger particles like tea leaves and fruit pits. If you want to use the pitcher for other beverages, simply remove the filter and you're good to go. The pitcher's sturdy sealing system ensures your drinks stay fresh for longer, with a leak-proof spout and tight sealing ring that isolates the contents from external odors and flavors. Even when laid on its side in the fridge, it won't leak. Cleaning the June container is refreshingly easy, with a wide mouth opening that allows you to fill, stir, and scrub without hassle. For light cleaning, just add soapy water and shake, or for more stubborn residue, reach inside with your hand for a thorough wash. Number 4. Btat container for brew coffee. The Btat container for brew coffee is a dream come true for coffee lovers who prefer to make their cold brew in large batches. With an impressive 1-gallon capacity, This cold brew coffee maker ensures you'll have plenty of coffee ready whenever you need a caffeine fix. Its crystal clear glass construction adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen or office, while its embossed detailing gives it a distinctive upscale look. Built for both durability and style, this container also features a built-in, leak-proof stainless steel spigot for effortless pouring. There's no need to lift or tilt the container. Just position your cup underneath and enjoy a smooth, steady flow of cold brew. The removable stainless steel mesh filter is exceptionally fine, keeping coffee grounds out of your drink and delivering a consistently clean, full-flavored brew. The wide mouth opening is another convenient feature, making it easy to fill with coffee grounds, stir the mixture, and clean after use. This thoughtful design not only improves the brewing process, but also ensures that every cup you pour is fresh and flavorful. Ideal for brewing coffee, tea, or fruit-infused beverages, the Btat container is versatile enough to suit a variety of drink preferences. Its sturdy glass build, combined with practical features like the spigot and fine mesh filter, makes it a worthwhile addition to any cold brew setup. Number 5. Gmsweet container for brew coffee. The Gmsweet container for brew coffee delivers both quality and convenience in one stylish, practical package. Made from premium, heat-resistant borosilicate glass and paired with a BPA-free thickened plastic pour spout lid, this 64-ounce cold brew coffee maker is designed for durability and daily use. Its stainless steel coffee filter features a fine mesh construction that ensures coffee grounds stay out of your drink, producing a smooth, rich, and clean cup every time. The container's airtight and leak-proof design is made possible by a silicone seal in the pour spout lid, which not only prevents spills but also locks in freshness and flavor for days. Whether you're making cold brew, iced tea, lemonade, or infused water, this container keeps your drinks tasting great for longer. The ergonomically designed thick handle offers a secure, comfortable grip, capable of supporting the full weight of the jar without bending or slipping. It's especially handy when pouring or carrying the container, whether at home, on a picnic, or during outdoor adventures. The flip cap lid stays open while pouring, avoiding any interference, and the built-in hand ring adds portability. Cleaning the Gmsweet container is simple, too, with its wide mouth opening that makes filling, stirring, and washing quick and easy. Both the pitcher and filter are dishwasher safe for added convenience. Combining practical features with a sleek, user-friendly design, the Gmsweet container for brew coffee is a reliable choice for anyone looking to enjoy fresh, flavorful cold brew without the hassle. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.